My name is Jeremy Porter with the Porter Group and HomeSmart, and today I get to show you the Lexington model. It's 1,979 square feet of 4-bed, 2-bath loveliness. Come with me, let's go! All right, so here we go. So where the sales office is on the left, that would normally be where the garage goes, just in case you didn't know. And again, here it is. The Lexington model by Hanover Family Builders, 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Right, so this is the flex room. So it could be used as an office, formal dining room, you know, whatever you want it to be. Laundry room, washer and dryer is not included as a standard feature, but of course that's something we can add on. Back here, there's a communication center back here. That's where all the internet and wires and all that junk goes. Let's go this way to the master. So this is where your air handler is located. That's the garage door right there. Right now if we open it, it just goes to the office. So this is the master. Let's back up first. See this. Right here, you got the double sinks. So I'm going to show you a couple of different angles here. Private commode. Check out this shower. Look at this. This over here, that's the drain. That's the drain. This is the plastic bottom. That's a drain. Kind of a cool feature. I don't think I've seen it yet. There's a rainfall shower head above you there. Glass tub right there with the ceramic. Looking closet there. And right in here, the master bedroom closet. Look behind door number 2. There we go, linen closet. Or, you know, the other person's closet who has less clothes. So there you go. That's that. All right, let's continue to walk through here. Again, this is the master, different angle here. Here we go. Plenty of room in here. Put a king size bed, the dresser, you got a chair over there, nightstands. It's a good sized room. Moving on, so you got the kitchen right out here. So those people like me who love to eat, you don't have to go far to get your eat on from the bedroom. Holy cow, I didn't open this before. I didn't know that this is this big. I'm sure people are saying some comments there. Okay, the fridge is not included. The 42-inch upper cabinets are not included as well. But right now they're offering a signing bonus to upgrade your countertops to granite and the 36-inch uppers, which is standard, to 42-inch uppers. And this is your dining area. Your eat-in kitchen, whatever you want to call it. But if you want to do a formal dining room, again, you can do that up front, in the front of the home there. A lot of people choose to do it that way. You do have, I don't know if you can see, yeah, vaulted ceilings here. This gives a nice little spatial feature, making it look a little bit bigger. We'll go out back at the end. Let's go down here and see the other 3 bedrooms. So bedroom number 1, just love how they decorate these things. It's so cute, so imaginative. There we go. We got the camouflage bedroom. My son Jack would love this bedroom. I think today he would love this bedroom. He's 6. He's getting a little big for this now, but I don't know. I might even like this bedroom. So another thing Hanover Family Builders does is they put in these doors instead of the cheaper option of the bifold doors. So that's that room. Head on over here right now. This is bedroom number 2. It's a cute little dinosaur bedroom, if you will, reading room. Looks like what they have it as. Again, there's your solid doors. They're hollow core doors, just to be specific, but they are not the bifold doors. Go, bedroom number 3, and there's those doors. There's a cute little up here. Can you see that? It's different. I haven't seen it before. It'd be fun to decorate these. I don't know if I'd be creative enough to come up with these different themes. I think that was your main job, to work and focus on that creativity. Love the colors they used in here. It's so bright and fun. All right, let's go out back. Check out what's going on outside. Huge door. I don't know if you can see this, but this might be like an 8-foot, at least a 6-foot door. You know, not the whole opening where it opens, but the entire glass door is out there between 6 and 8 feet. So here you go, stucco in the back, party in the front. And here you go. There's your grass. Sorry, I hit the wrong way. So you got the little bump out, that's your covered Lanai area. Easy to screen that in, put a little door on. Got the architectural shingles. They were telling me that is a standard. That's not an upgrade to get those architectural shingles. The great thing about that is, with the architectural shingles, they last longer. They're supposed to last up 25 years, but Florida sun and whatnot, that's not always the case down here. But that's what it is. Again, my name is Jeremy Porter with the Porter Group and Home Smart. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions about this property or any others, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you so much, and bye now.